Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the upgrade between the Windows 10 from the Windows 11. So you of course needed to purchase the let's say the license of the Windows 11 in order to continue. So here there's an actual free process, but first the most critical step is to confirming your PC is compatible. So because the Windows 11 has a strict requirements, most notably for a TPM 2.0 security chip and secure boot capability. So how to find the right element for the Windows 11? What you want to do, of course, is to download the PC Health Check application. For this, I wanted to open a new tab here. Directly, I can suggest you to all of this process who are, let's say, involving Microsoft and elements. You can choose by using the Microsoft Edge. If you don't have Microsoft Edge, try to download this. Directly here into the Edge, I'm going to go for the PC Health Checker. This will having this application free tool. So we can see that we have the use the PC checker here, for example, how to run this or how to download this. So I'm gonna go for download. Here is, I'm gonna scroll all my way down, and here is, for example, the Microsoft PC Health Check to download. If you already have a Microsoft account, a Windows, you usually have the actual application already been installed. If you don't, you can download it directly here from the Windows report element, which is appearing in here. Now, as you can see here, it is appearing my actual new element here. Now, here directly into this element, let's say that we have now checked the actual element, and I choose to check out all the requirements. If you have this green bar, this means that all of these elements are now appearing here into the Windows 11 and of course the prerequisites now are directly let's say appearing into your own account, something that is going to be really awesome. Now the next thing to do, of course, is to run the checker, resolve the incompatibility if needed, and you can back up all your data, because it's going to be really important to truly always back up all your important files before a major upgrade. Of course, I believe that nothing's going to be happening, but just in case, try of course to take your time to upgrade and back up all your data. Now, to perform the upgrade, what you need to do is to wait your PC confirmed eligible in your data backup. There's two simple steps way to start into installation: the Windows Update and the Windows Installation Assistance. The easiest method is, of course, the Windows Update. The Windows Update should be appearing down here into the right section. You can see that we have the Windows Update element, and here it should be appearing this element that says download. So when you choose, of course, your element, you check for updates, and if your PC is eligible, you will see a banner that reads upgrade to the Windows 11 is ready and is free. So we can hit into the download and install, and you are good to go. If this one is not available, you don't have to worry about it. You can always go back directly here into the Microsoft section, go to the official Windows 11 download element, and here we can see that we have the download Windows 11 from the Microsoft.com. It is going to be really important to make sure that this one comes from the Microsoft.com. Otherwise, you might be having a little bit of troubles in the future. Now, what I choose now, it says current released Windows 11 2025 update version 25th H2. Before installing, check out the release information status. So you choose the element that says download now. And here it is, the Windows 11 installation assistant.exe. So I choose to open this specific file. Let's close this. Here's my element. Let's go for yes. And now we can run the downloaded file. The assistant will retrack compatibility and guide you through the actual process. You can see that the last update was last year from April. So you accept and install all of this element and go for continue. Once the download this is complete, the system will prompt you to restart now. The PC will restart multiple times and may take some time. Do not interrupt it. Do not turn off the power. If you are into using a cable charger, do not disconnect that. So take that in mind And when you have now done this process, you can go directly into your first element, and you can see that your account has now been successfully added the Windows 11. For that, you can always go and check out your account, go for information, and here it should be appearing the element about your own Windows. So this is how you can actually make the installation of your Windows element. So just in case you have any issue, whatever, you can let us know in the comments below. So don't forget, guys, to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how to get started with the Windows 11. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Hopefully with all this been said, we can all see you next time. See you soon.